Fire. Welcome to Trendsetters Hub, where heels get hotter fire. Step into a world where fashion meets fire, where every click leads to a fantasy, and every heel tells a story of bold elegance, raw sensuality, and unstoppable confidence. In this video, we're diving deep into the sexiest, hottest high heels that don't just elevate your height, they elevate your attitude. These aren't your everyday pumps. These are heels designed to make hearts race, jaws drop, and eyes follow your every move. From glossy stilettos that gleam under city lights, to fierce stroppy numbers that wrap your legs like a second skin, we're showcasing it all in full, up-close, and unfiltered detail. So don't even think about skipping. Every second brings a new level of heat and style you don't want to miss. Fire. This isn't just a video, this is your front row pass to pure fashion seduction. We'll show you how these heels move, how they shine, how they empower. And trust us, the final looks are jaw-dropping, with angles and close-ups that will leave you breathless. So stay till the very end, because what we reveal last might just be the most sizzling pair you've ever seen. Whether you're a heel lover, a trend chaser, or someone who lives for that high glam, high heat vibe, you're exactly where you need to be. Kiss mark high-heeled shoe. Hit that like button, drop a fire in the comments,